Hello, Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another StarLine i96 on a 2020 Mercedes GLB. So how the system works, someone grabs this key, tries to do a relay attack, goes to start it, it just won't start, okay? So what the customer has to do, every time he jumps in the vehicle, just really basic, main ignition on, so make sure your yellow and red lights are on, insert your code, which we're going to change after the video, so tap, tap, tap. There's our disarm melody, foot on the brake and start the vehicle up. Really simple and straightforward. When I turn off the start button, within about 7 seconds, it will automatically arm. Finally, if you want to change the code, the way you would do that is again, main ignition on. So yellow and red lights are on. Disarm the system first. There's our disarm, then hit one of the buttons that you know to be the code 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, pause and back on and wait for 5 bleeps. So on here we can use that one, that one, that one, not that one, and that one there. So I'm going to use just a basic code again, but you can use more than one button. There's a bleep for confirmation, but I don't know what that was, so let's just do it again. But we'll get a grunt because the first code is different to the second code. So we'll hear a grunt. So I'm going to go on one of those. Notice the cruise control is a little bit delayed. Again. And there's our code, okay? So start button off. Give it about 10 seconds and we'll try the new code. I think that should be now set. So main ignition on. Try a new code. There you go, start the vehicle up. Really simple and straightforward to use. If you want one of these fitted, give us a call 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.